Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can convert a JPG file to PDF. The functionality to convert JPG file to PDF is built right into Windows 10, iPhone, iPad and Android. Method 1. On Windows 10 PC, right click on the photo which you want to convert, click Open With and click Photos. Click on the print icon. From the printer drop-down menu, select the Microsoft Print to PDF option. Click Print. Choose a location to save the PDF file. Give a name to the PDF file in the file name text box. Click Save. Method 2 on Mac. Open the Preview app. Click Photos on the left side. Select the photo which you want to convert and click Open. Click the File menu and click Export as PDF. Give a name to the PDF file in the Save as text box. Choose a location to save the PDF file from the Where drop-down menu. Click Save. Method 3 on iPhone and iPad. Open the Photos app. Tap and hold the photo which you want to convert. Tap Share. Tap Print. Place two fingers on the photo and pull them apart. Tap on the share icon. Tap Save to Files. Choose a location to save the PDF. Tap Save. Method 4 on Android. Open the Google Photos app. Tap on the photo which you want to convert. Tap on the three-dot menu. Tap Print. Tap on the Select a Printer menu. Tap Save as PDF. Tap on the PDF icon. Choose a location to save the PDF. Tap Save. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.